Hi guys, welcome back to my page. I am Santanika and today we're going to talk about all the essentials that should be in your vanity just in case you're a beginner or a college student or somebody who goes to the office. Now just in case you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll share my profile here and you can follow me for makeup looks, for my health tips that I keep sharing there on and off. So first most important thing I feel is very significant is a good primer. I think investing in a good primer is one of the most important things that you can do. There are many available in the market. I personally like this one because it's always at some discount, and this is you'll get it for, this is 500 ml and you'll get it for very cheap amount, say less than sometimes 500 also, say 445 under many platforms like Nykaa and Flipkart, Myntra. So yeah, you can get your hands on this one. I'll also share images of color bar and few other items which you can try and are very good as primers. Second, I think is the most important thing, which is a good foundation. I think good foundation is something that is extremely significant and should be in everybody's vanity. The reason why I am not suggesting CC or BB creams is because they generally cake out after a certain period of time. But just in case you have money invested in a proper foundation that's going to last you. Hence, I have tried to stick to primer and foundation. The image of the foundation which I use, I'll drop it here, and other similar foundations which you can use on a budget. The third most important thing that I feel should be in everybody's vanity is a good contouring palette. This one's by Wet n Wild. You can use any other contouring palette that you like, but my only suggestion would be that please do not go for those cream based ones in the beginning because they can be a little difficult to blend. So go for the powder ones. They are also equally significant and they work wonders. I'll leave links to some of the really good ones at a budget. The fourth most important thing according to me is a good setting powder. Now this one's by Makeup Revolution. It's the banana powder. You can go for many other variants. You can go for a compact, but I don't use a compact because by this one it really sets my makeup so good that I don't require a compact. So I don't really use a compact because I have dry skin. It does not really kind of बहुत rare only I sweat, so I don't really use a compact. But for compacts I'll share a few links and images down here, so just in case you're interested you can check them out. But this one really sets your makeup very well. So after you do this, I don't think you will require anything else, just in case you're dry or to the later combination skin type. One of the other most significant thing is a lip and a cheek tint. Now most of the times we don't have sufficient money to invest in a separate blush or a separate lip tint, which we say. So that's the reason why I suggest this one. This one's by Lakme. I just love Lakme to a different level. This is the swatch. It's a beautiful color. It's the color that I'm wearing currently. You can use it at at any time that you want to. When you can touch up, it's matte, so you don't, it really you have to put some lip balm or something below your lip, otherwise you'll look very your lips will look very dry. But apart from that, I think the color is just beautiful, and this can be used on your cheeks also. Currently I've used a very little amount of it, that's why it's not really showing up. But apart from that, if you ask my opinion, this is a great deal. The name of the color is Blush Velvet. Definitely gives a very blushy look. You can also try other lipsticks. I'll leave a few links and a few images of the ones you can try on a budget, which will also help you as a cheek tint. And then what I really I'm tired of telling people and they don't listen is using a good SPF. This one's by Neutrogena. You can use any other SPF that you want, but please do invest in a sunscreen. It's extremely significant. Towards the end, as we proceed, I have a mascara, and this mascara has all my heart. This one's by L'Oreal Paris. This one is the L'Oreal Paris mascara Superstar False Lash, and I can't tell you guys, this is the best mascara that you can invest. I know there are a lot of cheap variants that are available, but if you want to invest in a good mascara, I would suggest you use this one, because sometimes just a mascara and a lipstick works. You don't require all this. That's the reason why this one is really good. Then a lip balm is a must in everybody's vanity. I really like Sebamed, but apart from Sebamed, I have a few more options for you. The cheaper ones would be the Maybelline one, the Lakme one. They are really good as lip balms. The next thing that I would suggest to you is using a liner. This one is by Maybelline again, and this is the swatch of it. It's jet black. It really gives a very good finish, but I'm not really much of a liner person. I use it but not very much. This is the finish of it. If you can see, it's jet black. You can build up the liner, give a fat liner look or a thin liner look depending on your like and preference. Lastly, I would suggest that you invest in a good kajal. This one's again by Lakme. It's that iconic kajal, and it's also equally good. I'll just share a swatch of it with you. Yeah, this is the color. It's actually very old in my vanity, that's why it's giving this swatch, but otherwise it's a very good variant. Lastly is an eyeshadow palette. I use the one by Nika, Autumn Spice. It's really good, and it has those colors which can be used and played with rather than having a big one. I have the bigger ones, but I feel they're too clumsy and difficult to work with. The reason why I choose Nika, I would be suggesting a few more palettes just in case you're interested to buy them. All my suggestions for you guys, just in case you want me to try any of the things that you haven't tried in the longest of the time and you want me to try, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try and give you a review on it. Until then, stay tuned and please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.